Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started standing up on our mat. Come into your mountain pose as you reach your arms up overhead. Open arm twist to the right. Reach your right arm behind you. Left arm reaches forward as you look behind you. And come back into your mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left. Send your left arm behind you this time. Right arm is forward. Hips are squared forward. Back to your mountain pose for a micro back bend. Cactus your arms. Look up as you press your hips forward. Back to your mountain pose. Forward fold. Hinge at your hips. Halfway lift, your hands come to your shins. High plank, you plant your palms as you step your feet back. Your body is in a straight line here and you are breathing. You can do this. Downward facing dog, send your hips up and back as you shake your legs out. Straighten your legs. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat, forward fold. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Forward fold. Come to standing for mountain pose. Open arm twist to the right. Back to your mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left. Back to mountain pose. Come into a back bend. Maybe you go a little bit deeper than last time. Mountain pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank. And this time, let's come into some mountain climbers. Just driving your knee into your chest. Make sure you are breathing here. And make sure you're committing to this. You can do this. Just 2 more seconds. Last one. And downward facing dog. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose, sit your hips back, reach your arms up overhead. The weight is in your heels. Flying chair, you send your arms behind you. Back to your chair pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank. Shift forward 2 inches as you lower down onto your belly, straightening your arms for upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. Lift your right leg for 3-legged dog. Straighten your leg as much as possible. Press into the palms. Step your foot forward for low lunge. Reach your arms up for high crescent lunge. That back heel is lifted. Lower your hands back down as you step back for high plank. Downward facing dog. Left leg lifts for 3-legged dog. Flex the foot. Press the heel up. Step the foot forward, low lunge. High crescent lunge, reach your arms up. Make sure you're focusing on your breathing. Come back into your high plank. Let's lower down onto our bellies for upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Look forward. Step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose. And let's stand up, lowering our arms to our sides. Come back into your chair pose, and you stand. And let's repeat that. You already know we have our chair squats. Get low, reach those arms up, make sure you're breathing. Let's just do 3 more. Last 2. Last 1. Hold this chair pose. Hold it low. Pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flying chair. We are not done yet. Pulse those arms up. Pinkies are facing up. Arms are straight. Get a little bit lower in that chair pose. Do not stand up. We are almost done with this. Back to your chair pose. And forward fold. Halfway lift. Go through your upward facing dog and your downward facing dog. Three-legged dog, send your right leg high. Step the foot forward, low lunge. High crescent lunge, reach the arms up. Hands come to heart center as you straighten your front leg. Rebend your front leg. Let's repeat that 4 more times so we straighten. And we bend. 3 more. Let's straighten and bend. Last 2, straighten and bend. Last 1, straighten and bend. Lower your hands. Step back into your high plank and downward facing dog. No breaks. Let's lift that left leg, 3-legged dog. Step your foot through, low lunge. High crescent lunge. Hands come to heart center, straighten that front leg. And we bend 4 more times. All right, this is our last time. We bend, lower the hands. Step back for high plank. Go through your upward facing dog. And come into a child's pose, sitting your hips back on your heels. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.